Hello my lovelies, welcome back to World and Mike. Today we have your Tuesday replacement video of this wonderful coin from the Royal Mint in partnership with the Coin Club. This is the Platinum Jubilee of Her Majesty the Queen 2022 UK 50p Brilliant Uncirculated coin. Now as you can see, this is a really lovely coin. I saw it and I thought for £4.99, that's beautiful, I really want it. And then obviously it comes in this protective film. It's not part of the collection, it's just like a one-off coin. And in there it just goes into celebrating 70 years in 2022. Her Majesty the Queen makes history by becoming the first British monarch to mark a Platinum Jubilee. Her Majesty is an admired icon, tongue twister there, I do apologise, across the world who continues to dedicate her life to public service. And now as she prepares to mark this unprecedented milestone, the Royal Mint is proud to join the nation in celebrating the Queen's remarkable reign. And then obviously the denomination is 50p. It's a copper nickel alloy. Weight is 8 grams. Diameter is 27.30 mm. Then the design is John Bergdahl. Quality brilliant coin. Now I wouldn't normally open this, but I'm pretty certain that the coin is protected in like a plastic sleeve thing, and it looks like we've got a little bit of oh yeah, look at that. I love that. That's beautiful. I mean, just the bold of that 70. And then you've got the crown and ER there, 19 something. I think that says 52 to 2022. Oh yeah, it's a good job I did open it. Look at that. Horse parade is that. Oh wow. Sweet. So, with such a long reign, there are many remarkable moments that have given Her Majesty and the nation cause to celebrate, not least the many forms of Jubilee festivities that have taken place over the years. The Platinum Jubilee in 1952 to 2022. Then it sort of goes into the Silver Jubilee, the Golden Jubilee, the Diamond Jubilee. As you can see, that was beautiful. And then obviously the Sapphire and 70 years of coins. So this is a really lovely little, obviously made to serve there. This is a really lovely little coin to have. As I said, they do another range. There's quite a lot of ranges out there. They're currently doing a subscription. I'll try and put the link in the description below the video. They're doing a subscription of different coins from the Majesty the Queen. And yeah, it's really, really good. If you want to get yourself this, you probably have to hurry up because I can't see them selling this for much longer because obviously it's a Jubilee thing. But this coin will set you $4.99 and obviously postage. They do a wide range of postage options, you know, tracked or standard. But yeah, so I saw that and I was like, yeah, having that, thank you. So I hope you like that video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. We hope to get normal programming back by Monday. There is a blast from the past from Eagle Moss coming very, very soon. We're expecting it in 2 days' time, and I'll leave you guessing on that one. But that is your Tuesday video replacement. As I said, there is a national row strike at the moment, so unfortunately we've got to work with what we can. But if you do want to get yourself this, head over to the Coin Club, www.thecoinclub.com, and get this for $4.99 plus postage. And you can get this for yourself. So I hope you like that. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tap the bell notification if you want to be notified for all the videos I do. And I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye now.